All right. So, welcome to this Innovation Cell meeting, and my name is Shishir Gupta. You know that I'm the founder and CEO of Startup Lanes. The objective of setting up this Innovation Cell is to foster innovation in the entire Startup Lanes community, and for that particular purpose, we need all of you to lead the innovation, and we will be identifying, depending upon your skills, experience, expertise, we will be identifying one area, say mechanical engineering or information technology. So one person can take one particular position so that the entire community can benefit from your expertise, as well as any idea related to that particular domain should come to you. Now, we should understand what are the benefits of this innovation cell to you individually, to the community, and obviously to society and nation. So individual benefits are, we will be publishing each member's name into our one corporate brochure that we have, so that the entire community knows about you, brings more credibility to you, and also when you interact with the community for innovation, you get business opportunities directly. Suppose a student comes to you for information technology consultation or advisory or with an idea, you have this opportunity to pitch your product or your services to that particular person. As individual, you are free to pitch your own services. So that is the direct benefit that everybody will get. Second is, through this particular team, we will be able to bring a larger change. We will be able to do bigger projects together, and we will be able to support the entire ecosystem, maybe non-commercial or it can be commercial as well. In case a startup requires some kind of support in development of the technology or the development of the prototype, then innovation cell can take charge, support, help, and it could also be commercially beneficial to all of you, or at least to the person who is helping that particular startup. Now these commercials could be in terms of equity or in terms of direct cash. So these are the individual benefits, and to the members, the benefit is very obvious. Through innovation cell, members can get their ideas validated, get the support, help in developing the prototype, as well as there could be a lot of knowledge sharing. And how this will happen, how will they connect you? Because we are mentioning each one of you in our standard brochure, as well as one page of innovation cell will be there at Startup Lane's website. So people will automatically get to know, and this brochure is being sent not just to the community members, but to all the corporate, to outsiders, to the mentors, to the investors as well, not just in India, internationally, all across the world. And another benefit that everybody gets is the benefit of a team. When we get together for a particular purpose, then definitely we can set up a base for the nation, for fostering innovations, and we can support them in having creating their own inventions, creating their products, prototypes in a longer way. This is just the starting, and we are setting up the base. It might take time because all good things take time in being developed, but definitely we will be on the right track. The path is very right, and this will become bigger, better, stronger with time. So here I would like to request you, to all the members who are present, maybe if you can introduce yourself and share your expertise, it will help us identify what kind of role you can help us, and then accordingly we'll take some positions and we'll share this recording with others. They will also do the same in the next meeting. We are planning to have at least two meetings in a month. So every fortnight we'll have a meeting. Timing will be decided as per the availability of everyone. We will be needing one president and vice president of the innovation cell, just like we had for other cells. President will take the meetings, and in the presence of the president, all the decisions and the minutes or any kind of discussion that takes place will be concluded. In case a president is not available for a meeting, then vice president will take over. So this is very raw right now, but yes, once we move ahead, once we meet couple of times, other people will also join. Then this structure will take place, and we can also connect to different colleges. We can also think of uh, different models to commercially benefit each member and also to support the nation, because what we have identified is there is lack of innovation in the entire nation. There are very less number of bodies available that think in that particular direction or support or foster the innovation. Over to you all. And Shrankla, you can take over, ask for the introductions one by one.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shrunkala Santosh, Community Manager at Startup Lanes. Now, I would request everybody to introduce themselves. Ram, sir.
Hi everybody, my name is Ram Mancha. I'm the founder and CEO of Troven Technology. I'm the regional director from Hyderabad. I'm also CEO for one of the SL incubated companies, Sanchar. I have about 17 years of experience now into technology. Uh, well, the reason I wanted to be part of this SL innovation cell is because, as Sishi rightly said, we have a huge gap in India. Innovations are not happening, so we should be leading that effort. And end of the day, it's about serving the nation. So that's why I'm here. I'm looking forward to be part of the wonderful group. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have Deepak Rajendran, sir. I would request you to unmute yourself and turn on your video and introduce yourself.
Deepak, are you here?
Abhinav, sir.
Hi everyone.
I just joined.
Sorry, I'll wait for Deepak. Should I wait for Deepak?
Sir, please go ahead. Let's have Deepak sir next.
Sure. Hi everyone. My name is Abhinav. I'm sorry, I'm like traveling right now because of Diwali. I'm at home taking family out, so not at a formal location. But I am Bangalore alumni, and I've done BTech in computer science. Have 8 years of corporate experience with Standard and Poor's and other companies, and 7 years of startup experience. At present, I run a startup consulting firm strategy, and I strongly believe and share the core belief of Shishir as well of Make in India. I know India is not doing enough, and it's right time and a high time to take the charge rather than expecting others to lead the thing. So that's why I'm here, and I really would like to have new startups in India, and many more startups where they should not waste time and energy in unnecessary things. Rather, they should focus on the right things in the right direction in a guided manner. That's the strong reason I'm here, because I really want to create, as Shishir always says, 20 crore jobs and perhaps 200,000 companies we need to create in India. So let's start this thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Deepak, sir. He's facing some internet issue, sir.
Shinkla, I think somebody is waiting from the room. We have a message on the WhatsApp group.
Sir, there is no one in the waiting room.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So only rest others have dropped off. I think only 2 are here.
Yes, sir. Few of them are facing internet issues. They've texted me.
Okay. So for this meeting, let us identify at least people who are available. So Abhinav, your specialization is finance, if I have to ask.
Yes, you can say it's finance and entrepreneurship nowadays. So it's finance and entrepreneurship, both.
So any particular type of innovation or area sector, if you wish to prefer for yourself, so that accordingly we can depict and people may approach you on that.
See, to be true, I focus strongly on the business R&D, research part of it. So because I've been working with couple of sectors even today, it includes agriculture, solar, e-vehicles, and other modules, e-commerce also. So I'm not a technical person, but I am very strong in business modules, forecasting, and startup MVP creations. So it's actually tough to pinpoint anything, but it's mainly startup R&D. You can say it's my strength today.
Okay. So Shrankla, you can note it down. Research and development.
Yes, sir.
And Ram,
Technology.
I know that. So you can note that information technology,
Yes, sir.
right? And we'll probably share this video with others, and then we'll have more people coming in, and we'll put everything into the brochure.
Yes, sir.
Just one more, work from home. Any questions, Ram or Abhinav? If you have, I'll be happy to answer.
Sir, Adil sir has joined again.
Okay, so we can take the
Adil
word
sir,
from.
yes, sir. Adil sir, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hello everyone, this is Adil.
I would request you to turn on your video if possible.
No, Shankala, I think bandwidth is not very good here.
Okay. Okay.
So, hello everyone, this is Adil. I'm a chapter director at Startup Lane and also an entrepreneur. I've had two of my startups. One is dealing into IT services, and another is a product development. We are into edtech development startup. So, anything related to any technology, feel free to connect me. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Adil. And any particular area of specialization which you would like to help the innovation cell?
Yeah, I can work in AI, computer vision applications,
All right, that's
and IoT as well. Yeah.
you can note it down, please.
Yes, sir.
AI and IoT,
IoT.
Internet of Things. All right, guys, thank you. This is all for today, and we'll meet, set up a meeting again next time, and accordingly we'll take it ahead.
All right. Thanks.
Thank
Shishir.
you. Bye bye,
Thanks,
all.
Shishir.
Thanks, Shishir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you,
all. Bye-bye.
everybody. Thanks, Shishir. Thanks, Ram. Thanks, Adil.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you, everyone.